Do you ever feel like life is rushing by and you don't have the same amount of energy as others? Maybe you've watched folks easily push for new possibilities and wondered how they're capable of so much more. If this is the case, you may want a boost in tenacity. But first, what exactly is tenacity? Tenacity implies drive and passion, which can be felt in a variety of ways. Perhaps you approach house cleaning with meticulous resolve and a clear plan. When it comes to your career, you might think about ways to be more efficient and plan for future tasks while you're not working. Being tenacious does not always include being the loudest person in the room or always going at a breakneck pace. It also includes giving oneself space to breathe and be in the shadows when necessary, and then re-emerging with confidence and strength. Tenacity is what motivates you to get out of bed every morning. You may not have identified what this spark is yet, but it exists within you. Being more determined and putting this straight to use can help you be more successful. Here are 4 methods to put persistence to work that can produce demonstrable outcomes. 1. Include preparation. Going above and beyond, and preparation is the key to becoming a tenacious person. Take the time to plan your approach if you have a job deadline to meet. On some days, you may need to get up earlier or remain later to ensure that you can produce your best job. Putting in the extra effort can help you stand out and may lead to more chances. You might also start planning for retirement. This could include auditing your current assets, investing in stocks, or altering your spending patterns. We think about retiring all the time, therefore being prepared for it will make you more successful. Tenacity can also be applied in personal situations. If you're thinking of taking a vacation, start by planning the timing. Before you go, you should examine whether there are any loose ends that need to be tied up. Then, do extensive research on the location you'll be visiting to see if there are any must-see activities. Decide on the excursions you wish to go on and set aside days to just relax. Preparing ahead of time reduces stress and ensures a more comfortable holiday. Even planning your days can have a significant impact on your sense of accomplishment. Making a grocery list for the week's meals or scheduling workouts will help you be more productive. The tenacious person takes the time to plan for the future in all facets of life. This makes reaching your goals easier, and you'll discover that you're more efficient as a result. 2. Be forward-thinking. The difference between someone who has strong tenacity and someone who has the same drive is that the tenacious person does not simply let life pass them by. If you find yourself frequently reminiscing about the past, you might think about changing your perspective. To be more determined, you must live in the present moment. Concentrate your energy on what is to come. You can use your history to design your future, but you must let go of any bitterness you may harbor. For example, if you can't let go of the memories of a toxic relationship, you won't be able to find the love of your life. When you wake up, tell yourself that it is a new day with a new chance to accomplish everything you set your mind to, and think about what comes next for you. Perhaps you've been thinking about how you could learn a new skill or take up a fun hobby. By joining up for an instructional program or trying a new hobby, you may seize the day and build a better future by applying your enthusiasm and persistence. There is so much freedom in thinking forward. You may find it frightening to consider the unknown, yet it is actually a big opportunity for transformation. You are providing yourself with a blank canvas on which to draw who you want to be without inhibition. Consider where you might want to live in the future, who your friends will be, and what sort of work you will have. When you learn to focus tenacious energy toward tasks and goals on a daily basis, your days will no longer feel mundane, and you will be able to accomplish more. 3. Look for opportunities. Finding one's passion and purpose is an important part of being tenacious. You will have a better chance of success if you demonstrate that you are open to new opportunities. If you are looking for work and are offered an interview, make sure you arrive prepared with smart questions and write a follow-up or thank you email. This will set you apart from the competition and show that you are excited about the chance. If you are currently employed, utilize your perseverance to ask for a promotion or to broaden your responsibilities. You could offer to help with other team initiatives or bring in fresh ideas. You will automatically exude passion and drive if you genuinely enjoy your profession and are eager to attend company parties or volunteer at events. Find strategies to vary your routine in your personal life. Vary what you order at restaurants or try out new recipes at home. Rather than going to the gym, try joining a spin class. Allowing each day to be a little more unique will be rejuvenating. Also, look for opportunities to meet new people. Look for organizations or clubs in your town to join where you can meet new people who share similar interests. Begin to develop into a person who is willing to try anything. Say yes when a friend asks you somewhere and be open to new experiences. Others will come to connect you with being vivacious and tenacious, and you will attract people who share your qualities. You will vibrate at a greater frequency if you surround yourself with people who are as strong-willed and enthusiastic as you are. 4. Recognize your value. Tenacity will come naturally if you recall the broad picture and can imagine yourself achieving your goals. This could imply reminding oneself why your work is important. Whether you work in customer service or in the business sector, be sure you understand how your actions help others. Knowing that the project you're working on is making a difference allows you to bring a new level of excitement to the table. If you don't have a clear meaning behind your actions, waking up for a 9-to-5 job becomes exhausting, and you become complacent in your position. You might discover that you have a valuable expertise by questioning how everyone's responsibilities fit together. Recognizing the benefits of your labor can also be useful. Maybe you worked with a team member and helped them with a project. When you see the finished result and how happy your coworker was for your assistance, you realize how you can help others. This makes it easy to recognize your worth and be enthusiastic about other things. Keeping a vision board can even help you be more persistent and motivated to succeed. Putting up photographs of a car you've always wanted or terms linked with the type of spouse you're looking for might help drive you and remind you of your ultimate objective. Being tenacious entails thinking about how you want people to talk about you. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on how your friends and family perceive you can help you remember the traits you value in yourself as well as any areas you wish to improve. Understanding your worth and how others perceive you allows you to live with greater persistence. Last thoughts. We are motivated to act because of our tenacity. We were all capable of exuding vigor, passion, and tenacity. When you are tenacious at work, you will become a dependable employee who will be given additional possibilities. Tenacity in relationships strengthens partnerships with like-minded people. In the following months, challenge yourself to apply resolve to a few parts of your life in these ways. You can optimize your effect and embrace success by being intentional with your time,